Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Wishpond, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Wishpond account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the campaigns section. Click on campaigns to access your existing campaigns or create a new one. To create a new campaign, select the Create Campaign button. Choose a template that aligns with your sales goals. After selecting your template, customize the content to match your company branding. Add compelling images, text, and calls to action. Next, set up your lead capture forms. Click on the Forms tab to create a new form. Ensure you include fields that are important for your sales process. Once your form is designed, integrate it with your email marketing tools. Now, navigate to the Automations tab. Here, you can set up automated responses for new leads. Create targeted email sequences to nurture leads over time. After setting up your automations, preview your campaign. Test the entire flow to ensure a seamless user experience. Once satisfied, hit the Launch button to activate your campaign. Monitor the performance through the Analytics dashboard. Evaluate the data to refine your strategies as needed. Make adjustments based on customer engagement and conversion rates. Continue optimizing your campaigns for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.